Usually when you look at tea in a teapot, it'll actually dance. The leaves will jump up and down. So if you look, you actually see like a little dance within the pot.
And that's a good sign?
Yes, this is a very good sign. Usually people will pour the tea almost straight away. This is a very, very common mistake that people make. They don't allow the tea to fully warm up. Yeah, move. There needs to be movement for the flavours to fully come out of the tea. Most people mash the tea, which is an English term, which is where they beat a tea bag in the tea, which is where they push and squash the tea bag. This is very, very wrong, because when you beat a tea bag, as it's known as, you actually bring out more tannins, more bitterness out of the tea. Lovely. Okay, so just for the cameraman, the tea is now dancing around. So if you look, now usually the tea sinks to the bottom of the pot. This is usually a very good indication that the tea is ready to be served.
Okay.
The hotter the water or the darker the tea, so if it's a fully oxidized tea, you allow 3 to 4 minutes steeping time. The better the quality of the tea, the cooler the water and the longer the steeping time. That's generally the rule of thumb I use.
Okay.
So if it's a black tea, it's very, very hot water, steeped for a short time, and if it's a green tea, it's with a lower temperature of water between 69 and 80 degrees, and it's done for a longer period.
So the lighter the tea?
Yep, the cooler the water.
Yeah.
The reason why tea gets bitter in taste is a number of contributing factors. The height on which it's poured, down to the actual quality of tea, and also the country of origin of tea as well. When serving tea, when people boil water, you actually take the oxygen out of the water, which makes the water flat. So straight away you're going to have a very bland flavoured tea. So the actual idea with tea is to pour it from a height. Now a couple different cultures actually do this. It's called Tak Tari in Singapore, which is where they'll create a ring of people and they'll actually swap the tea from one jug container to another in almost a dance. It's an amazing little dance. I've seen it on videos. One day I will get out there to see it and take part. But they actually swap the tea from various containers because it allows the air to get back through the tea and it allows the flavours to come out fully in the tea.